Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a living room clean with me. We're gonna tackle my spring cleaning to-do list and try to get this done as fast as possible. It is 95 degrees here in Vegas today and it is just really hot. So the faster I can get this done, the less sweating I'm going to do. So if you find this video motivating, please feel free to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to find more content like this in the future. So our to-do list is pretty long, so let's get started. So while I am getting started, little one is going to be playing over here in her little playpen. She's got all the toys in the world to keep her occupied, so we'll see how long this lasts. Happy girl, huh? Are you happy to be playing with your toys? So this is my spring cleaning checklist that I love to use. I do edit it every year just to add more things to it. As you can see in my kitchen one, I didn't list the fridge, so I had to redo that. However, I am going to start on our living room list today. I know it says we're going to start with under the couch, but we're going to actually start with the ceiling fan because I like to go top to bottom. To get this clean for spring living room edition started, I am dusting our ceiling fan. To do this, I'm using the Quickie microfiber ceiling fan duster. I picked this up over at Home Depot a couple of years ago, but I know it's still available because I checked their website. Now I really like this thing because the dust really sticks to it and it's tall enough that I don't need to get a step stool or stand on anything to reach the ceiling fans in our home.
My face, all that ever was is a rise.
And here's a look at all the dust that came off of that ceiling fan in this room. It was nasty. At this point, my daughter Rayan was so over playing with the toys on the floor, so she is now in her high chair and watching Sesame Street. She is absolutely obsessed with Elmo, and her seat of choice in our house is her high chair. I'm not sure if it's because her feet dangle or what, but I'm letting her do her thing while I move the couch and vacuum underneath it.
There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day to
Under our couch, I found everything from pens and dust and trash to a chewed up pacifier thanks to our ridiculous cat. I even found one of Rayan's missing socks. Isn't it funny how easy it is to lose baby socks? I thought losing adult socks was easy. Now that I have all the junk picked up, I'm vacuuming and mopping this space before moving the couch back together.
time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today. It's a good.
I've mentioned before in a previous video that we try and vacuum our couch just about every day because of our cats and dogs, but in this video I'm really getting in there by moving the cushions and getting all the yuck out of the cracks inside the couch. I have to say that this is a huge project that took me about an hour total, both vacuuming and shampooing it, but having it done is so satisfying. Tell me down below, what is one thing that you absolutely dread doing, but once it's done, it is just the most satisfying feeling?
I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it.
If you're like me and you think that vacuum lines are a thing of beauty, go ahead and click that like button.
I can't
When I was done vacuuming the couch, it was pretty obvious that the baby was really tired, so I took her upstairs to put her down for her nap.
And I won't waste this. I'll follow you.
She was out, I grabbed the shampooer and started to shampoo the couch. This is a huge undertaking with a couch this size, but I like to do it about every 3 months. We spend so much time on the couch with us being home during quarantine that it's important to me to make sure that it's nice and clean.
Your name, I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this, 'cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me breathless. Yeah, no one makes me feel like you do. I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won.
Here is a quick look at the couch now that it has been shampooed, and while that dries, I'm going to tackle the remaining things on my list. I am still using that Sprayway glass cleaner that I mentioned in previous videos, and I'm using my Dyson handheld vacuum to clean the window coverings. They are cloth, so it is the easiest way to get them clean. I apologize for the lighting here. I know it's quite dark. With the windows in front of the camera, everything comes off much darker.
I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life.
Here you can actually get a small look at our backyard. My husband has been working so hard back there and is really starting to come together. We have a little garden, a place for the baby, and even a place for the adults.
So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
Now that the windows are clean, I'm going to grab the remotes and dust between the buttons. I should have used a Q-tip for this, but I was being extremely lazy and did not want to go upstairs to get one. So instead, I put a pen inside of a paper towel. I also use this time to change out the batteries on all of the remotes. That way we know the batteries will last for a while.
World on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my
The last thing on my spring cleaning list I wanted to get done was to dust the outlets. Like I mentioned in my kitchen spring cleaning video, I like to make sure to get these dusted because it just cakes on there and gets really gross. It is at this point I would also dust the baseboards, but currently we actually don't have baseboards in this room, so it's not something I need to worry about this year.
My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You said
Although my list is done, I had a lot of dust and cleaner all over the floor from the different projects of the day, so I wanted to finish off the room by giving it a quick vacuum and mop. I am using the Bona floor cleaner here. I really like it because of the liquid evaporates really quickly. I really want to get a steam mop, but I'm not sure if I can use it on our laminate floors, therefore I don't know if it's a good investment. If you have any insight on this, please be sure to comment below and let me know your thoughts.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
If you found this video motivating, please make sure you click that subscribe button and turn on all notifications to be told when my next video is live. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope you found this content motivating and helps you tackle your spring cleaning to-do list. If you want to get my printables, make sure you head over to my blog at soveryyveronica.com and check out my Instagram for daily mama motivation. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye!
Hey.